Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add initials to all pages in Docusign. This is useful when documents need initials on every page for verification and approval. Let's walk through it together. On your Docusign dashboard, open the document where you want to add initials. For example, let's find a template. We will use a multi-page template here. Say we want to update this template and add initials. Select where you want to place the initial, then drop it in that spot. If you need to add another initial, simply click the Initial button again and place it on the next page. Keep doing this by clicking the Initial button and placing it on each page one by one. Once we are done, just click Finish. All the initials will appear on every page. And that's how we add initials to all pages in Docusign. This helps make sure your documents meet all signing requirements and are fully complete.